Are there legal considerations when collecting historical documents? When it comes to collecting historical documents, you might wonder if there are legal considerations involved. This is especially true for significant items like the Declaration of Independence. Understanding these legal aspects can help you navigate the world of collectibles without running into trouble. First off, ownership and provenance are key factors. Provenance refers to the documented history of ownership of a particular item. It is essential to verify that a historical document is legally obtained. This means ensuring it is not stolen or fraudulently acquired. Documents with clear provenance are more desirable in the collectibles market. Next, let's talk about privacy and publicity rights. Privacy rights protect individuals from having their personal information exposed without consent. For most historical documents, especially those created long ago, privacy concerns are minimal. However, if a document contains sensitive information about living individuals, you should be careful about sharing or displaying it. Publicity rights are another consideration. These rights relate to using a person's name, image, or likeness for commercial purposes. While these rights mostly affect public figures, they may continue after death in some areas. This is less relevant for historical documents unless you plan to use them commercially in a way that exploits someone's identity. Collectors should also be aware of legal and ethical guidelines. Some documents, like legal files or personal letters, may have restrictions on access or use. While privacy rights typically do not extend to deceased persons, ethical considerations still apply. This is especially true if the document contains sensitive or controversial content. For collectors interested in items like the Declaration of Independence, the main legal considerations are authenticity and lawful ownership. The Declaration of Independence is a public domain document. Owning a reproduction or a period copy is generally legal. However, owning an original would be nearly impossible due to its status as a national treasure. Any claims of ownership should be treated with skepticism. When dealing with other historical documents, collectors should take specific steps. First, confirm the document's provenance and legality. Next, be mindful of privacy and publicity rights, especially if the document involves living individuals or public figures. Lastly, consider the ethical implications of handling sensitive or culturally significant material. Collecting historical documents is not just about finding interesting items. It requires attention to legal ownership, privacy, and publicity rights. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy your passion for collecting while staying within the law.